Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mr. S and this is Lesson 3 of Unit 1, Geography Basics. Today we'll be talking about different types of maps and their uses. If you didn't get a chance to watch Lesson 2 about the elements of a map, I'll link that in the description. It'd be a good idea to watch that before moving on with this video. So let's get started. While many maps are very broad and show a huge amount of information, a lot of others are focused on a more specific theme. These are called thematic maps. Some thematic maps show physical features of Earth. Sometimes these features are landforms. We'll speak a lot about landforms in this course, so let's take some time to cover several of them. A mountain. That's a large elevation of Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding land. A canyon is a steep gorge, typically with a river flowing through it. A valley is a sloping, low area between hills or mountains. These areas often have lakes or rivers in them as well. A river is a large natural stream of flowing water. Deltas are wetlands that form as rivers empty their waters into another body of water like a lake or the ocean. A tributary is a small river or stream that flows into and feeds another larger river. An ocean is a very large expanse of salt water. The coast is the edge of land that comes into contact with the sea. And the sea is the expanse of salt water that covers most of Earth's surface. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. A plain is a flat expanse of land that is typically mostly treeless. A desert is a place that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year. We typically think of these being hot, but that's not always the case. A peninsula is a finger of land surrounded on three sides by water. And a plateau is an area of high level ground. Okay, let's get back to maps. Physical maps might also show environmental features of the Earth, like climate or weather patterns. A climate map will normally show things like precipitation rates or temperature trends. Another type of thematic map might show human geography. Instead of showing something naturally occurring on Earth, a map of human geography will show us things that were created by or influenced by human activity. This might be a map showing different agricultural regions, or maps showing population density. A very common type of map related to human geography is a political map. Political maps show the boundaries of countries and states. They also show the locations of major cities, particularly capital cities. Let's take some time to look at examples of each. Okay, look at this map. Using what we already learned about maps in the last lesson, we can locate the map title to determine what the map is trying to show us. This map depicts some of the major rivers of the world. That is the theme of this map. Do you think a map of rivers would be a physical map or a map of human geography? It's a physical map. The focus of this map is on something from nature, not something man-made. Okay, what about this map? Is this showing us physical geography or human geography? This is a map of human geography, particularly a political map, because it shows us the borders of the states and their capital cities. Okay, what about this one? It's a bit more challenging. What is the theme of this map? Look at the title for clues. The purpose of this map is to show what regions of the United States produce the most hay for livestock feed. If this hay was naturally occurring without the help of people, then it would be a physical map. That's not the case though. This hay is cultivated and raised by farmers, so it's showing human geography. Let's give it one more try. Read the title and try to decide if this map is a physical or human geography. World Climate Zones. Well, climate has always existed. Man didn't create climate. It is always polar near the poles and tropical near the equator. Since climate is a naturally occurring feature of the Earth, that tells us that this is a physical map. Alright everyone, Thanks for hanging out. This is the end of Unit 1, Geography Basics. Our next video will start Unit 2, which will cover the geography of Canada and the United States. This will give us a chance to put what we learned in Unit 1 to good use. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see you next time.